Assalamu alaikum. Now we will discuss how to make a pendulum in Microsoft PowerPoint for create a smart class. So I think we can start. So let's get started. First of all, we have to go to the search bar and write here PowerPoint. Okay. Then we we have to click the blank presentation and delete all of objects. Select and click delete button. Okay. Then we can use this background, or we can change the background. Then we have to go the insert and shapes, then select this shape and draw it. Okay. Okay, done. And then resize, and then go to the again insert shape and select this circle and draw the circle. Okay. And resize it, and drag and select two objects, and click the right button and create group. Okay. Then go to the shape fill and select a color, then go to the shape outline, not outline. Then we have to duplicate this object, so simply Control D and duplicated it, and then we put it this position. Okay. Then shape, not shape, and control and click, then click right button and create group. Okay. Then we have to go to the animation and add animation, and then spin. We have to search spin this. Okay. But we have a problem. Control Z, then alter and left arrow 2 times. Click left arrow 2 times. 1, 2. Then go to the animation, add animation, and spin. Okay. Then animation pane open, and click here, effect option, click here and change it. It will be 60 degree. Click the enter. It's 1 enter. Click again, effect option, then timing, delay. It's 4, will be 4. Okay. Repeat until end of slide. Then okay. Okay, done. Then slideshow, and but it's some problem. Okay, so we fixed the problem. How is it possible? We click here again, effect option, and auto reverse, and okay. Then we go to the slideshow and beginning. Okay. Start. Okay, done. This is our pendulum, and we can use any shapes to organize it. How this then a color, then duplicate. Just we decorate this. Okay, then so this is our project, and our project is ready. This is a pendulum. Okay, thank you for everything, and see you later inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.